Nisuweng pa sa Kantiko Don Bosco Media Network ko niram chaksua, ang Alicia A. Sangma na simang na daan ni Koborrang ko para katinga. Katabi chongrang, Assam Police rang doskri mandirang ko guwe siyata, Cabinet meeting ko mukro obostani gaman chanchi ng atanga, Dr. Mukul Sangma mukro o na kadamiani ko nari anga, TMC rang candlelight jumani kong atanga. Chumugpa Koborrang, Mugolbar Prungo West Giant Hills aja ni mukro songo, Assam Police aro Forest Guard rang ni, Guanichi sungni mande sakpunga su utako matnaha, aro adita sak mandirang, Blong be saknani rang ko matnaha, ya selong ani, sakpunga mandirang jangi kukalaha, aro saksa Assam Forest Guard pa jangi tango kalaha, Kobor mansuani gita de Mongobal Prungo Assam Police rang gari gesa ubolrang ko sale mukro songo naribae, apalo kam kain kapasungni mandirang ko rumiyaha, Bakan sungni mandirang ya doskri mandirang ko wachina police rang ko dabiyaha, aniba police rang wamangi dabiyan ko knachaki ja, wamang ko skatango na bachingskaha. Assam Police rang ni yan dakyo skatang guani kunike sungni mandirang khat pripra na abachingaha ni khobor ko mansuaha. Meghalaya Sorkari Mongobal Salo mukro ngang gapa ubosani gaman November kolukpi tariko Union Home Minister Amit Shah ko grungen ba National Investigation Agency NIA ba Central Bureau of Investigation CBI chi sandiani ko takchi na dabi na tikangaha ya selongani siyang gapa Mandira Pulskani Chingata Plak Sorkari Official Program Rangko November Kolachi Tariko na Kungkung Tungtunga China Katabat Cabinet Ti Kangaha. Ndakyong ingon ase longchakpa Mukro Sungon na Butparsalo Meghalaya Adok ni Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tunsong Baksa atita sa Cabinet Minister Rang Riange Dukug Aking Kapanuktang Rangko Grongigen Aroya Nuktang Rang na Sorkari ni Pakwat Kumantangkal Lak Pongarangko Unanggen ni Wiyataha. Ndakyong ingon Mukro Song Ara Sambaksa Sima ari na golmal ungpa o napija aru chugumakan Meghalaya adoko nunga ni Konrad Sangma Pharatangaha. Meghalaya ni Sorkari Zire Kinding Police Thana ni Officer in Charge ko aru gapin official rang Jan Mukro firing obak manpachim warang ko suspend kaaha ni khobor ko mansuaha.
Today, on the 22nd of November, an unfortunate incident occurred at Mukro village in West Jenti Hills district, where 6 persons have died due to firing by Assam police and Assam forest guards. I would like to express my deepest condolences to the bereaved families who have lost their loved ones. As per the reports, a truck carrying timber was pursued by the Assam forest guards with the Assam police and was detained by the Assam police and Assam forest guards at Mukro village in West Jenti Hills district. On hearing this, people from Mukro village gathered in large numbers and surrounded the Assam police and Assam forest guards. This led to firing by the Assam police, in which 5 persons from Meghalaya died. 1 Assam forest guard also died due to the firing. The Honorable Home Minister, Government of Meghalaya, has also reached the spot of the incident. An FIR has been registered by the Meghalaya Police. The state government strongly condemns the incident wherein the Assam Police and Assam Forest Guards entered Meghalaya and resorted to unprovoked firing. Government of Meghalaya will take all steps possible to ensure that justice is done and action is taken against all those responsible for this inhuman act. As a mark of respect and mourning for the deceased, the state government has decided to cancel all official festivals, including the Cherry Blossom Festival. An ex gratia compensation of Rs 5 lakhs each to the next of kin of the deceased shall be released. At this point in time, I would like to appeal to all the citizens of the state to pray for the departed souls and especially for the families who have lost their loved ones. I would also like to appeal the citizens of the state to maintain peace and harmony in the state. The state government is taking all steps necessary to ensure that law and order is maintained in the state. Just before this press conference, we have called different leaders from our traditional heads, Rangbashnongs, our religious leaders from different religious groups, and different members of civil society and different NGOs to discuss, to appeal, to inform them, and to ask them that we need to stand together in these difficult times as a state and as citizens.
Mungobal Salo, Mukrusong, West Jaintia Hills, Assam Meghalaya, Bordero, open firing kagapao, Siang Gapani Noktangrangko, Aro Saknako Mani Hospital Dungaparangko, TMC Party ni Dilgapa Dr. Mukul Sangmari Angi Niyaha, Wa Aro TMC ni Dilgapa, Baksa Jawaichi, Civil Hospital Chi Saknako Mangwa Mandirang, Aro Wamang ni Noktang ni Mandirangko Riangi Grungyaha, Aro Kademia ni Katarangko Agan Edon Baha, Yobosta Ung Anigaman, Wantang ni Dukung Aniko Parakatanga, Aro Bosta o Siang Pamandirangi Jangi Nabi Chakaniko Dakanga, Aro Saknako Mangaba Mandirang, Tarake Benya Singaniko, Manchina Ba Bichakanga. Mungobar Salo Jaintia Hillso, Ramra Mandirangko Suotani Gamano TMC Meghalaya Candlelight Ra Eric Jomaniko Tura Party Office Rajabala AC Mahendraganj AC Salmanpara AC Arogaro Hills ni Dingtang Biaprango Rejomaniko Dakangaha TMC MLA Rang MDC Rang Arogapan Party Dilgaparang Aro Member Rang Ba Ya Candlelight Service Takanya Dongpa Mahila President Salma Dishira State General Secretary Noverfield R. Marak West Garo Hills Convener Richard M. Marak Coordinator Safford N. Sangma, Argapanrang Badongpa Ayari Jumanio Bakur Angaha. Absent dake Shillong Songjuma o Candlelight Jumani ko Takangaha.
Wani bidungo inga one mining government firing waha one Assam aro Meghalaya border issue ni government firing waha. Uni government ya firing wani Ansungni Manderang ba Ansung Meghalaya ni Manderang dos Greek ba Manderang Sina nangau gakaha sakri Manderang janggi galaniko manaha aro banga sakna nirang kuba manaha uni bisepon dalo anceng ya candlelight condolence ko takani sonera mamang nindangna tumanirang aro tumani sina nimna dalo ancengni ya candlelight ko takani muksone inga wan dingthang mancha Meghalaya gemuk ya TMC party ni kita ya condolence ko takinga uni gemen sakanti Angni Kadamska Danghuanga Mutmola Kusyong Bea Yan Dintang Mancha Ansing Sakantina Dukaru Mukchi ni Salaru Sumoyonga Maina Ansing Sakantian Dat Gisagi Gipanong Uba Ansing Meghalaya Sungdong Gapaman
Yan dal na Koborrang ni Suwing Gapa Sakanti Kun Metela.